Tired of staying at home? Having debts to pay but have no work? Have to stay at home due to the pandemic? I got you covered. Earn some quick cash with Photojobz. All you need is your phone. Anything around you which you can make a beautiful picture. Photojobz will pay for it. Photojobz is an online website in which millions of persons sell their photos for the best possible price. Photojobz help you to sell your pictures to hundreds of potential buyers that are in need for pictures to use for their websites, social media, magazines, books and other uses. How do you work with Photojobz? With Photojobz, you are your own boss. No one to pressure you into doing what you do not like to do. With Photojobz, you work as a freelancer. What exactly is a freelancer? When you're a freelancer, you work when you want, how much you want, and how you want. How much can you earn with Photojobz? With Photojobz, you have the freedom of earning how much you want. And the best thing about Photojobz is that no matter which part of the world you are, you can still work with Photojobz because Photojobz is a worldwide website. Head over to Photojobz now. Just click on the link in the description box or the first comment in the comment section if you are using a phone. Start earning now. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful, then please share it with a friend who it may help.